%type and %ROWTYPE in PL/SQL. Are you familiar with place SQL? If you are, you've probably heard of %type and %ROWTYPE. But what are they exactly? This video contains proper knowledge and explanation of %type and %ROWTYPE. Place SQL is a powerful programming language used to manage and manipulate data in Oracle databases. It allows developers to create complex applications and automate business processes. %type and %ROWTYPE are two important constructs in place SQL that help simplify the coding process. %type is used to define variables based on the data type of an existing column in a table. This means you don't have to manually specify the data type, which can save time and prevent errors. Here's an example. Declare v_name employees. last_name %type. Begin, code goes here end. In this code, we're using %type to declare a variable called v_name, which is based on the data type of the last_name column in the employees table. %ROWTYPE, on the other hand, is used to define variables based on the structure of an entire row in a table. This means you can easily access all the columns in a row without having to declare each one individually. Here's an example. Declare v_employee employees %ROWTYPE. Begin, code goes here end. In this code, we're using %ROWTYPE to declare a variable called v_employee, which is based on the structure of the employees table. By using %type and %ROWTYPE, place SQL developers can write code more efficiently and with less risk of errors. So that's a brief overview of %type and %ROWTYPE in place SQL. If you're interested in learning more about place SQL and database programming, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.